You were Ohio Secretary of State. Yeah. What's wrong with cleaning up the voter rolls?
Well, you clean up the voter rolls, but you don't do this wholesale eliminating names of people who have served our country or people who haven't. I mean, these are people that signed up to vote. They don't know they're taken off the rolls. They show up at the polls. They've lost their right to vote. And
you're the mayor of Oak Harbor. You were prevented from voting at some point, is that right?
Yes, in 2011.
What happened?
I came back from serving in the Army, tried to vote, and was told that I was at some point removed from the rolls.
Had you voted absentee?
While I was in Iraq during the surge, I did. Evidently, that vote didn't make it.
And was anything done to correct that so that you could subsequently vote?
I re-registered there. However, my vote on the general election day didn't count.
It did not count. Was it not counted later, perhaps as a provisional?
No, because I wasn't a registered voter.
Was that, do you think, an honest mistake, or do you think that was an attempt to somehow or other get you off of the rolls because somebody thought you were going to vote in a way they didn't want?
I don't know if it's nefarious. I think that the integrity issue, though, is not there.
Our vote, our voice. Our vote, our voice.
I know that Jeff Sessions undid the position, the long-standing position of the Justice Department Civil Rights Division that I had the privilege of leading. Overturned its position to take a very different position in support of Ohio in this case. That is not the long-standing reading of the Justice Department, and make no mistake about what Jeff Sessions' agenda is on voting rights.
What's wrong with cleaning up the voter rolls?
Well, you're taking away one of the most fundamental rights that people have. And if you're a citizen of the United States, you want to be able to vote. It's 2017. Like, it's not that difficult to monitor people who have the opportunity to vote. And I think this is a basic attempt to try to limit the ability of people who may be inclined to vote for Democrats to get them off the rolls. And it goes to the fundamental aspect of our democracy.
It crushed me to hear somebody in my home state say your service wasn't good enough to come home and continue voting. We didn't want to protect you. We didn't want to make sure that when you came back, we made sure you were taken care of.